Hello everyone, as you can see on my table some Makita Drill DDF481, and the problem that the drill chuck cannot be loosened, so I'll try to replace it. I think yeah, it just spins out. Basically what I'm trying to do now is to press the chuck as strong as I can, with the hope that the part inside will get pressed in and the chuck will be released. This one feels like it had a lot of abuse used. Okay. Here from the sound, we got lucky. I'm going to release the screw. Now we need to try to take the chuck out. So I will tie the Allen key here, because the chuck now is moving. Not all the time, but it's look like moving. Okay, I don't know if I can get it good. No, I need to get it to the vise and try to close it. Okay, so we cannot remove the chuck in an easy way. What can we do with this one? We can deassemble it. The armature looks not bad. We have some gaps on the plates. Okay. Of course, we can find some dust here. But now, most important part for us is the gear assy. Okay, so we can see here we have a couple of the pins. We can push them out and take everything out, or we can unscrew the 4 screws here to take all the gear assy parts. So I think I will unscrew the screws here. Okay, I got almost all gear assy out. Now we can see how everything looks when it's assembled. And yeah, it seems nothing is broken here. So we have the anvil of the chuck. What can we do here? We can try to remove the circlip. We have the plate. The pin is falling from this hole. And now with a big hope that we can easily take the ring out. Yeah. Take the ring out, and our anvil wants to go out, so it's very good for us. Now we can see, of course, we have the bearing here. We can check it. If it's not wobble, it's spinning. Now it's good. And for this one, I want to put this in a vise and try to unscrew the check. Sorry, not turning on the camera. I was able to unscrew it. How I did that? Not by cutting the anvil and so on. I have just taken the part from the gear assy and inserted the assy in it, and then put this one to the vise, and then I got the flat surface to get a good grip and reset the check. Okay, this part now goes back here to the place it belongs. Here we can put the ring, of course, inspect if it's not correct. Sometimes it's correct. And now we need to get everything assembled back. Getting our anvil, slightly hammering it in, and now we can see the groove for the ring. Okay, go the ring back. Now we can put the pins. The round end goes up. Okay, now you can see we need to align everything, and I will try to just insert it. Check, maybe I will get it aligned. Of course, it's small chance. Okay, we will not play with this one for a long time. Good, got it. Of course, now we can take the armature and test if it spins or not. Yep, it spins. That's good, so I will tighten it. Okay, I have brushed some dust out of this tool. Now I will try to put everything back. I hope I will be able to put it back. Okay. We need to insert the armature. I will clean the housing here a little bit. These detailing brushes are really helpful when cleaning the tools. Okay, the back over. The drill looks assembled. Okay, now we can put the new check. The check is on. Tighten in the screw. Now, of course, we can test the drill. The clutch is working. Okay, so that's good. We have changed the check for this one. Of course, assembled the gear assy, made a simple inspection of it. It looks good. And yeah, that was easy like that. Thank you for watching and bye.